Hello, engineering students. You are looking for an internship or fresher job but don't know how to apply on Internshala. In this video, I will show you the complete process from creating your profile to submitting your application. Let's start. First, open your Chrome and search for Internshala. Then open the official website. Then interface will be shown like this. You have to sign up using your Google account or continue with email. After the sign up, complete your profile with your name, contact details, college, course, stream, skills and other relevant information. A complete profile helps you find opportunities that match your interests. You have to fill your profile details in this section. First name, last name, email ID also, contact number, current city and gender and languages what you know. English, Hindi and add more languages also available. And which type, college student or fresher, working professional, anyone you have to select. Then click on next. Then you have to choose your preferences, areas of interest. You have to interest in web development, software development, data science, Python development, content writing, marketing. After you choose your preferences, click on next. Then you have to choose your preferences. Help us match you with the best career opportunities. Currently looking for jobs and internship both also. Work mode. You have to in office or choose office or work from home. Prepared city in office. You have to choose Bangalore. Then what is your current career goal? Get online degree from anyone you have to choose and find me opportunity. Okay, let's open. In filter options also there. Many job and internships also there. You have to interest in web development. Search on filter. Web development. Location in Bangalore. Decide minimum monthly stipend you have to choose and view more filters starting from that will. After you are choosing in filters, it will be shown like this: 213 web development internships in Bangalore, latest web development intern jobs in Bangalore. It will be show system administrator, software development, full stack or AI engineer, brand and web design, AI full stack development. Full stack development means web development, Python development. Bangalore 10,000 to 20,000 per month, 3 months. You have to apply. Click on this. Then before applying, don't directly click apply. First open, view details and carefully read the company information, responsibility, eligibility, skills required, duration, stipend or salary and work mode. First you have to read all details about the internship, skill required, who can apply, other requirements. Then you have read all details. Click on apply now. Then you have to upload your resume. You have already resume, upload resume. in this section. You don't have ATS-Friendly Resume. I already make one video about how to make ATS-Friendly Resume in easy using AI. You want that video, check in description. After they apply you internship in or jobs, you have to see in my application table. Don't apply randomly to every internship. Apply to roles that match your skills and eligibility and keep your resume updated. And one more thing, Internshala says you don't have to pay to apply for internships on the platform. So that's how you can find and apply for internship or fresher job on Internshala. If you are a college student looking for your first opportunity, start building your profile and apply consistently. For more internship, job, scholarship and student updates, subscribe Namma Study World.